Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Department Electrical Engineering, Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Subject Code 22633, Semester 6. Today we have to study the different types of the electrical equipment which is used in electrical substation for the protection purpose. That equipment are installed in the electrical substation in 132 kV substation. This is the chapter number 5th of electrical substation and practices. So we have to see the features of that electrical equipment. So here circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is the device which make or break the circuit under normal and abnormal condition. Normal means there may be the no fault on the device, and abnormal means the fault condition on the power systems. Then that type of the equipment are used for the protection purpose. So it received the alarm signal by the relay, and then trip circuit become the trip. Then circuit breaker is the device which isolate the fault and provide protection to the electrical equipments from over damage. So this is the main purpose of the circuit breaker, which isolate the fault by tripping the devices, and the contact of the circuit breaker get isolated. Now we have to see the features of the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is the device which requires the rated voltage at 36 kV with the rated voltage and rated normal current near about 1600 amperes. That current carrying capacity may be the required for the circuit breaker, and frequency of the 50 Hz, rated breaking capacity 20 kiloampere, rated making capacity 62.5 kiloampere, and rated short circuit current duration is 25 kiloampere per 3 seconds. Creeping oil operating rated voltage 110 or 220 volt for the DC supply. Motor voltage near about 230 volt AC supply of the circuit breaker. Rated operating duty 0.03 second for 3 minutes, and weight of the circuit breaker near about 620 kg. This is the features of the circuit breaker which is used in 132 kV circuit or 132 kV substation. Circuit breaker is the device which make or break the circuit under normal and abnormal condition are known as the circuit breaker, and this is the rating capacity of the circuit breaker which is used in substation. And each and every circuit breaker have the two contacts, one is the fixed and another is the moving contact. During under normal working conditions, both contacts such as fixed and moving contact are connected to each other and carry the continuity of the supply. But in case of the fault occur or during the abnormal condition is nothing but the fault condition. During that condition, fault condition or abnormal condition, the fixed and moving contact get the isolate. As fixed and moving contact get the isolate, then it disconnect the continuity of the supply, and hence it provides the protection to the electrical equipments. to avoid the ore damage with the help of circuit breaker. Now we have to see the types of the circuit breaker and their suitability. So first type of the circuit breaker as SF6 circuit breaker. SF6 is nothing but the sulfur hexafluoride gas circuit breaker. Then we have to see the suitability of that SF6 circuit breaker. SF6 circuit breaker is suitable for the breaking current up to the 60 kiloampere and with the voltage range of 50 to 80 kilovolt. SF6 circuit breaker have the 10 MVA, 20 MVA, that is the rating capacity of the SF6 circuit breaker. At that rated capacity it is the suitable. So use in the high capacity, high voltage substation and gas insulated substation are known as SF6 circuit breaker. That is the suitability and features of sulfur hexafluoride gas circuit breaker. Next circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker. That vacuum circuit breaker are used for the outdoor application where the maintenance is the minimum. So we can easily use the vacuum circuit breaker in outdoor purpose. In high voltage systems near about 22 kilovolt to the 66 kilovolt, the power circuit, a suitable rural area, then vacuum circuit breaker may be the use in suitable rural area substation of 60 to 100 MVA rating capacity. Then we have to use vacuum circuit breaker in rural area also. So this is the second types of the device which is used in the power systems. Next circuit breaker, the name of circuit breaker is that air brake circuit breaker. Air brake circuit breaker is the LT circuit breaker, that is the low terminal circuit breaker is the name indicate, and SF6 that is the high capacity and high voltage substation. So this is the difference between SF6 and air brake circuit breaker. Air brake circuit breaker is LT circuit breaker and the rating capacity means with different rating capacity it is available in the markets. So such as the rating capacity 460 volt, 400 to 3500 amperes, 40 to 75 kVA as the kilo ampere. This is the rating capacity of the air brake circuit breaker. Has different rating capacity, then another rating capacity has 3.3 kV, 400 to 3500 amperes, 13.1 to 13.5 kilo amperes, 6.6 kV, 400 to 2400 amperes, 13.1 to 20 kilo amperes. So these are the rating capacity of air brake circuit breaker. This is the types of the device which is used in the power systems. Circuit breaker is the protective device which provides the protection to the substation as it disconnects the parts of the power systems and provide the protection to the device. Next, air blast circuit breaker, that is ABCB. ABCB means air blast circuit breaker, or another name of the air blast circuit breaker is that the compressed air circuit breaker. It is used in LT systems also, that is the low terminal systems, and the features of the air blast or the compressed circuit breaker is same as like the air brake circuit breaker. The different rating capacity of the air blast circuit breaker just like the air brake circuit breaker as 460 volt, 400 to 3500 amperes, 40 to 75 kilovolt or kilo amperes. The rating capacity of the current and voltage of air brake circuit breaker and air blast circuit breaker are the same. Next, plain oil circuit breaker. Plain oil circuit breaker, it is used up to the 11 kV with the interrupting capacity of 250 MVA. So this is the rating capacity for the plain oil circuit breaker. The oil circuit breaker is also have the two types as the minimum oil circuit breaker, then maximum oil circuit breaker, that is the plain oil circuit breaker. So these are the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is the device which make or break the circuit under normal and abnormal condition. As the peaks and moving contact get isolate, then it disconnect the continuity of the supply, and different types of the medium are used to extinguish the arc between the contact or to reduce the arc between the contact of the circuit breaker. So different types of the device are the used in the circuit breaker, and different types of the medium are used in device to extinguish the arc between the contact and to reduce the arc between the contact of the circuit breaker. SF6 sulfur hexafluoride as the gas is the medium which is used to extinguish the arc between the contact of the circuit breaker, to reduce the arc between the contact of the circuit breaker with the help of SF6 as sulfur hexafluoride gas. Then vacuum, as vacuum is the medium. Vacuum is nothing but the vaporization of the ion which is used in that vacuum. Then as the heat generated in that vacuum chamber, then metal is high heated, and that metal vaporization is the take place. That vapor are used to extinguish the arc between contact of the circuit breaker inside the vacuum circuit breaker. In air brake circuit breaker, as atmospheric air are used to quench the arc between the contact of the circuit breaker, and air blast means compression of the air in that air blast circuit breaker. So that compressed air is nothing but the atmospheric pressure of the air are used in air blast circuit breaker. And inside the plain oil circuit breaker, oil is the medium which is used to extinguish the arc between the contact of circuit, and which reduce the arc between the contact, and which help to extinguish the arc with the help of circuit breaker. Thank you, students.